the differences between the Aqidah of Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah and of others. And before I end, if I ask you this question, who is the founder for Wahhabism? Ibn Taymiyyah. Who is the founder for Deobandism? Qasim Nanotwi. Who is the founder for Jamaat Islami? Abul Ala Maududi. Who is the founder for Qadiani? Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani. They have founders. That means they show us that they are the innovators. They are the bid'atis. Our founder is only and only Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We do not have founder called any Najdis. Yes, indeed, we have our guides, Imamul Azam, Imam Malik, Imam Shafi'i, Imam Ahmad, Sayyiduna Ghawthul Azam, Sayyiduna Khaja Gharib Nawaz. They are our guides. They are not our founders. Founder is Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.